Hey guys, so for the second part of our lesson today, we're again on lesson 4, unit 8, we're going to talk about dot graphs and what they are. This graph shows how many people called a radio station to request the song Wandering Home over a 6-hour period. In this graph, we use dots instead of bars to show the data, so we call this a dot graph. Normally bar graphs have the long vertical bars that go up to the specific numbers. So it's set up a lot like this with the X and Y axis. The horizontal axis on dot graphs shows the time of day for this dot graph, and the vertical axis shows the number of callers. Each dot represents the number of callers at a particular time of the day. To read the graph, we find the place where the time of day and number of callers meet. How many people requested the song from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m.? In this column here, we see that from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 95 people requested the song. There are 111 requests between 11 a.m. and noon. 130 requests between noon and 1 p.m. 115 between 1 and 2. 105 between 2 and 3. And 90 between 3 and 4. We can see a pattern in this data, but the dots are not connected. We connect the dots with a line segment if we know the change from one dot to the next dot follows the path of a straight line. In this graph, we don't know about the change between dots was steady, so we do not connect the dots. It's important to remember that we don't connect the dots on a dot graph unless we know that there is a steady change from one dot to the next. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a great night and a great weekend.